Shwmai! It's a gorgeous Saturday morning. I haven't been able to say that very much this summer, and we've got a Ukumaniacs gig today. We're in the heart of the Vally show, which is actually an agricultural show. There are animals here, there's music here. We are playing a bit later on, the main stage, and it's just going to be a really, really nice event. It's nice and local to me because it's in Pontardawe, which is actually where my school is. I'd better go and find the other Ukumaniacs now though. See, I said there'd be animals here. There's the pony club. Goodness me, some of those are tiny. Okay, go, round, go, up, tunnel, go, round, tunnel, go, yay, well done. Is this what you're going to buy, is it, James?
Well, hopefully.
Yeah, I know, I did say you'd come and say. Right, that's one of the Ukumaniacs we found. It's a bit loud, but I found the other Ukumaniacs and the roadie. No, I think he's going to burn his head today, isn't he? Right, so we're just waiting for the brass band to finish. The Cwmtawe Brass Band. It's not actually our school one, but I know loads of people in it, and then we're on next.
Wales win at
Welsh and I am proud, that's a fact. I'm unbowed. I am Welsh and I am proud. You're Welsh if you know about 20 times. It ain't fairly time and I. You know what Derek means when he says Shwmai, because so Cymru makes you cry. Yeah, I'm not shy, gonna shout it out loud. I am Welsh and I am proud, that's a fact. I'm unbowed. I am Welsh and I am proud. Oh yeah, and now it seems my only chance is giving up the fight. And how could I ever refuse? I feel like I win when I lose. Oh, lose. I was defeated, you won the war. In the village, the quiet village, the lion sleeps tonight. Hey, hey, whip away, whip away, whip away, whip away, whip away, whip away, whip away. Hush, my darling, don't flare, my darling, the lion sleeps tonight. Hush, my darling, don't flare, my darling, the lion sleeps tonight. Hey, hey, whip away, whip away, whip away, whip away, whip away.
So the Ukumaniacs have finished playing, quite happy with that. I'm not quite sure what the audio is going to be like, but you never are when we're not doing it ourselves. So we're going to have a little wander around now, the Heart of the Valley show, and see what's occurring. Have a look at some of the different animals, some of the different activities, and some of the different stalls. There we are, that is the Heart of the Valley show in the Swansea Valley. It's been a really lovely day. Ukumaniacs, we've thoroughly enjoyed it. We've had a little wander around, seen a lot of the animals, some of the events and so on. I do hope you've enjoyed this as well. As always, if you've got any comments or questions, please feel free, leave them below. Give us a like if you've enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.